Hello guys, welcome back to another Cine Aviation video. I'm here all for part 19, just going to be recording some planes taking off overhead, as well as a couple of kilometers in the distance like usual, so without further ado, sit back and enjoy. That was a nice and low SAAB 340B Rex Regional Express airline taking off from Sydney to Dubbo, ZL852, and the time is 6:57 AM. That was another nice and low takeoff, but this time it was a confirmed Canada-AQ 400 Qantas taking off from Sydney to Wagga Wagga, Q5221, and the time is 6:58 AM. Here we've now got a A321-232 Jetstar Airlines taking off from Sydney to Melbourne, JQ 503, and the time is 7:13 AM. We now have got a SAAB 340B Rex Regional Express airline taking off from Sydney to Moria, ZL127, and the time is 7:14 AM. Now we have got a Boeing 737.8 Virgin Australia Airlines taking off from Sydney to Melbourne, VA 808, and the time is 7:15 AM. Now we've got a SAAB 340B Rex Regional Express airline taking off from Sydney to Griffith, ZL 459, and the time is 7:31 AM. We now have got a Surveillance Canada AQ200 Qantas taking off from Sydney to Orange, QF 1752, and the time is 3:37 PM. That was a very nice and low Q300 Qantas taking off from Sydney to Albury, Q50213, and the time is 4:39 PM. We now have got a Boeing 717.2BL Qantas Airlines taking off from Sydney to Canberra, QF 1511, and the time is 4:59 PM. Now we have got a Canada AQ300 Qantas taking off from Sydney to Wagga Wagga, QF 2231, and the time is 5:15 PM. Just after that Q300, we now have got another Canada AQ300, once again Qantas taking off from Sydney to Albury, QF 2229, and the time is 6:17 PM. Here we've now got a A321-232 Jetstar Airlines taking off from Sydney to Melbourne, JQ 525, and the time is 9:02 PM.